Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Cheryl and welcome to Cheryl and Food Etc. Today we're going to make some pork and beans recipe. So for this recipe, we need half a pound of pork belly. This is optional, but I'm going to add in some leftover ham. To cut down the cooking time, I'll be using canned Romano beans instead of regular dry beans. 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 1/2 cup of tomato paste. We will also need 1 small onion and 2 garlic cloves and salt and pepper for seasoning. So let's start by chopping our ham into bite-sized pieces or according to your liking. Next, we can go ahead and cut up our pork belly into small little pieces, at least around 1/4 inch thick. Next, we can pour our canned Romano beans into a strainer and rinse it with a cold running water. Now let's start cooking. In a pressure cooker, we're going to put in a tablespoon of oil. Next, we're going to add our chopped garlic. Let's saute it for a bit. Then add our chopped onion and then stir it and saute for a few minutes. And then we can go ahead and add our chopped pork belly. Season with salt and pepper. Then let's add at least 4 cups of water. Cover and pressure cook it for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the meat should be nice and tender, and then we can go ahead and add in the rest of the ingredients. So let's go ahead and add in our Romano beans. If you have white kidney beans in can, you can go ahead and use that, but I prefer Romano beans because of the color. Then we can go add in our chopped ham, one half cup of tomato paste, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 1/4 cup brown sugar. Let's mix it a little bit and add 2 cups of water. Let's cover it again and cook it for another 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, our pork beans should be ready. We can put some into a bowl and let it cool down a little bit before serving. Next, we're going to make some garlic bread. Let's start by slicing our baguette. Place your baguette into a foil. Then we are going to put some melted butter in the bread. Make sure you get some butter in between the slices as well. Next, season it with some garlic salt, and sprinkle also with some Parmesan cheese. Now this is optional, but you can also add in a little bit of dried oregano leaves on top of your garlic bread. Now let's place our bread into a baking sheet, and then we can go ahead and fold our foil to cover the bread and leave some opening on top. And then we can go ahead and bake it for 8 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. After 8 minutes, our garlic bread is ready. Now we can go ahead and serve it with our pork and beans. Yummy! Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like this recipe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and press the notification bell to get notified for my next video. Hope everything is well and Happy New Year. Take care. God bless.